Okay, it's only been a minute and I think I've got it. Let's try it again here. Make sure all of the little connections are facing the same direction. Okay. Now I'm going to turn it back on. No monkey business here. Let's see. This might be in the high speed or it's going to be off. Turning it on. Oh, I thought I had clicked it. Okay. Man, okay. I'll just have to keep working on it. Man, I thought I heard it click too. So there's a definite click that when you pull that chain, you've got to do it. But hey, that's okay. It's not really taking me that long to do this. And I'll just keep working at it. A few more minutes, and I think I'll have it. The second I think I can't get it, because see, sometimes that clicker could be bad, and maybe that's why I can't click it, because some of them click, 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 and bingo, it works. I've worked on this and worked on this and worked on this. Now I'm going to turn it on. I've got it on and nothing's happening, which means I clicked it one more time. So I just have to click it another time, and I'm going to keep trying it. And if I can't get it in a few more minutes, I'm going to have to pull this apart, and I'll show you how to do it the other way too. We'll see. Now here's an idea for you too. The paperclip was only so long, and so you have to bend the tip tight enough so that you can fit it through the hole, but also big enough so that you can hook it on there. And I wasn't able to keep pulling it with that, so I got it hooked, and then I took a pair of pliers and went like that and kind of did this a little bit, and then I pulled it real hard and it bent the end and it came off, but I think it clicked back into the high speed. Now let's try it and see. And I'm going to turn it on. 3, 2, 1. Kaboom. Look at that. See how fast that's going? That is not in the medium speed anymore, is it? And that is how you fix a ceiling fan, just like that. Okay, I'm going to shut it off, and now I've got to reach back up in there and put those screws back on, finagle that up there. Yeah. Alright, I think you can watch that here with me too. Got that nicely tight. Remember, this side was facing over there, so I know this one's going to come up, and you still have to kind of make sure everything's going in there just right, and kind of push it up there and do a test run. That looks like it's all the way up, and on this one it's got little nibs up there where it exactly goes. And well, I got that screwed. These screws are really small. Okay, I'm not going to tighten it up all the way because I want enough slop for it to slide around. Okay, now this time I can put it on the end of my screwdriver, push that up, all the way up, hold my mouth just right, and I got it. Okay. I'm still going to leave it loose. Try this last one this way. See, I have to slide the blades over so that I can reach up in there. I want to push it up all the way. There. Okay. Now I can make it snug. I can make sure to push this up, make it snug, just in case it wants to slide down a little bit. Okay. Don't over tighten them. Those screws are so small. If you tighten it and tighten it and tighten it, thinking, by Joe, you're going to get it as tight as possible, you could strip the head and spin the head right off. Okay. I'm going to turn the fan on, and voila, my job is through, other than fixing the bed a little bit. else to do it because I've got to stand up on the bed to get it done. That's more better. Yeah. See, now that's throwing down so much more air now. They may forget to use the AC. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.